How do I check my debit card balance on my phone? Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can change your debit card balance on your phone. In order to check your debit card balance on your phone, at first you have to download your bank's mobile application on your very device. Most of the banks have the official mobile application that allow you to bank on the go. Therefore, you can go to your bank's official website and then search for their mobile banking app on the front page. After that, you can download the application and then log into it using the same user ID and password that you use to access the bank's website. Your debit card balance is typically listed on the first screen you see when you log into the application. For example, the Huntington Bank has Huntington Mobile and the Ali Bank has the Ali Mobile. After that, you can also check your account balance as an ATM if the ATM center is near you, and you can change your bank statements, and you are done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.